Maintaining good health is a lifelong journey. We all strive for optimal wellness, but sometimes our diets alone aren't enough. That's where supplements come in. Think of them as powerful allies, helping you bridge nutritional gaps and unlock your health potential. Supplements are concentrated sources of nutrients. They come in various forms, from capsules to powders to tasty gummies. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, support your immune system, or improve your overall well-being, there's a supplement out there for you. But remember, supplements aren't a magic bullet. Always consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the world of supplements. We'll explore different types, compare popular options, examine scientific evidence, and provide safety tips. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your health. Let's embark on this journey together. The supplement aisle can feel overwhelming with countless options vying for your attention. Let's break down common types and their benefits. Vitamins essential for energy and immune support. Examples include vitamin D, vitamin C, and B vitamins. Minerals, crucial for bone health and nerve function. Key minerals include calcium, iron, and magnesium. Protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. Popular sources include whey, soy, and pea protein. Herbs offer benefits like stress reduction. Examples include chamomile, valerian root, and ginseng. Omega-3 fatty acids support heart health and brain function, found in fatty fish like salmon and fish oil supplements. Probiotics promote gut health and digestion. This is a good starting point. The best supplement depends on your needs and health goals. Let's compare some top-rated supplements. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin because our bodies produce it in response to sunlight. Essential for bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. Fish oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their heart-healthy benefits, may also improve brain function and reduce inflammation. Probiotics promote a healthy gut microbiome, which is linked to various aspects of well-being, including digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Magnesium, a mineral involved in over 300 bodily processes, including muscle function, nerve function, and blood sugar control. Multivitamins provide a convenient way to fill potential nutritional gaps in your diet. Look for a high-quality multivitamin that aligns with your age and gender. Each supplement has its own set of pros and cons. For example, vitamin D is generally safe, but excessive intake can be harmful. Fish oil is beneficial, but some people experience fishy burps as a side effect. Probiotics are generally well tolerated, but it's crucial to choose a reputable brand with clinically studied strains. Section 4. The science behind supplements, what experts say. The supplement industry is constantly evolving, with new products and claims emerging regularly. It's important to approach these claims with a critical eye and rely on scientific evidence. Numerous studies have investigated the benefits of various supplements. For instance, research shows that vitamin D supplementation can improve bone density, particularly in individuals with deficiencies. Similarly, studies have linked omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil to a reduced risk of heart disease. However, it's important to note that not all supplements are created equal. The quality, dosage, and formulation can significantly impact their effectiveness. Always opt for reputable brands that adhere to good manufacturing practices, or GMP. Furthermore, it's crucial to understand that supplements are not a quick fix. They work best as part of a holistic approach to health that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep. Supplements and safety. Your guide to responsible use. Prioritize safety when using supplements. Consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. Start with a low dose and increase gradually. Be mindful of interactions with medications and foods. Choose reputable brands with certifications like USP or NSF. Listen to your body and consult your doctor if adverse effects occur. Section 6. Making informed choices. Your supplement journey starts now. Navigating the world of supplements can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. By arming yourself with knowledge and prioritizing safety, you can make informed decisions that support your health goals. Remember, supplements are not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle, but rather a complement to it. Focus on consuming a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, managing stress effectively, and prioritizing sleep. When choosing supplements, consult with your healthcare provider. Prioritize reputable brands, start with low doses, and listen to your body. By following these tips, you can embark on a safe and effective supplement journey that enhances your overall well-being. Here's to a healthier and happier you.